Now is available at McCarthycars, Volvo XC90 2010 metallic grey. Car has front fog lights, 18-inch alloy wheels, got privacy rear glass, got roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. Seven-seater car. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 7 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation. For electric window, electric mirror, front auto headlights, full electric seats, memory seats as well. Car has CD, it's got aux connection, USB, 2-zone air conditioning, a folding mirror, automatic transmission, 2 central cup holders, central armrest, multifunction steering wheel, cruise control. Thank you for watching.